Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is very important topic as per security concern. So you can understand the title of the topic, cryptography. Friends, if you want to send a message from sender, suppose A to receiver, suppose here the receiver is B and the sender is A, what we type? We type plain text and sender will receive plain text, and this is done through internet. Now friends, if I am sending plain text, what is the problem? Problem is that it is readable for all, right? So data can fall in hands of people with bad intentions like hacker who can modify your data for their benefit. Now whether this is a safe for transfer data between A and B. So the question regarding safety, confidentiality and security. Now see the next diagram. Here I am explaining how to overcome this problem through cryptography technique. Cryptography helps to transfer the data on its strips between computer, that is A to B. Now how that I am going to explain. If I convert the plain text or original message with putting some extra code which helps to hide its original content, then suppose for example, please come on Monday, and this message if I am transfer like #10350556, and if outsider suppose receive this message, whether outsider gets the original message? Never. So the message is secure now. How to do this technique? That's I am going to explain. Original message called plain text. Then the contents of the message is encoding, that is its hide content from outsider. Technically this is known as encryption method, right? With the help of key, encryption method is done. So without key we are not able to do encryption method. We have to do the use the key. That key is called encryption key. So here the question comes, what is key, right? So I will explain it, but before that try to understand the technique. So plain text converted into ciphertext, that is the encrypted message through an encryption method using encryption key. Now this message transfer sender A to B. Now if B receives the ciphertext message directly, whether that fellow understand it? No. So here we have to think how to change it from ciphertext to original message or plain text. Whatever we are using in sender side, just follow reverse technique in receiver side, so that receiver can get original message. Now question is that how? So first we have to convert ciphertext to plain text. This is done through a method called decryption method with the help of decryption key, right? And through this encrypted message or ciphertext converted to original message, or you can say plain text. And in this way receiver receives the original message. As example, #10350556 converted to please come on Monday. So receiver will get the original message. Now the question for by definitions, how we can explain it. So what is cryptography? Cryptography is the art and science of keeping files and messages secure. Cryptography means hidden writing. As explained earlier, encryption method, what is that? It is a method which converts plain text to ciphertext. Decryption method converts ciphertext to plain text. Both the cases, whether encryptions or decryptions, key is used. Key is a string of character used to mathematically encode a message or decode a message. Two types of key, symmetric key, asymmetric key. Same key is used for encryptions and decryption method in case of symmetric key. Different key is used for encryption and decryption method in case of asymmetric key. If you see the diagram, you can see here same key is used. I am using same color in both sides, sender side and receiver side, that is encryption and decryption method. Next diagram, you can see two different keys used. Here two keys are different color as per diagram. This is asymmetric key. Now what is crypto algorithm? It is a procedure that takes the plain text and transform it into ciphertext in a reversible way. It can be divided into two: secret key algorithm, public key algorithm. Secret key algorithm, same key is used for encryption and decryption method, But public key algorithm use different keys for encryptions and decryption method. Private key or secret key, and second key is public key. So friends, hope you understand the details about cryptography. Hope you understand the meaning, what is the importance of the cryptography, what is crypto algorithm, what is key, what is different type of key. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.